So today we are going to do how to make a boat and how to make a bird. They're very simple. It's for beginners and it's very easy. You know what I mean? You could just put the boat and boof, it's going on the river. Or sailing on a boat, something like that. Welcome to PlusFrame Art&Crafts. From today onwards, I'll be teaching you how to do arts and crafts, origami, painting, lots of more. So today we are going to do how to make a boat and how to make a bird. They're very simple. It's for beginners and it's very easy. Further in the future, we'll do also more hard stuff, but I'll teach them easier for you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends if they also want to learn how to do these too. So let's get started. So first we're going to make a boat. So first of all, fold the paper like this. Just fold it. Then fold it again. Like this. Now when you open it, you'll see a line over here. So in that line, make a triangle in there. And do the same over here. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I'll try doing it a little bit more slowly. Okay. So once you do the triangle, you'll take this open piece and put it like here. Then turn back and do the same thing to this side. It's okay if you're making mistakes. Try and you'll get better. Okay, then turn back to the front. Now, if you see these ones, take this and put it to the back of the triangle. Do the same over here. And then, you do the same behind. And yeah. It's supposed to end up like this. Next, you're going to make this triangle into a diamond. This is how you're going to do it. If you see this open piece, what you're going to do is open it like this, and then ta-da! I'll just press it, and then it's a diamond. Now, you're going to open this one, and then put it right here. And then you do the same to the back. Then you're gonna open it again and make it to a smaller diamond. And now you'll see these two things. I don't know what you call it. So you're just gonna open it, and mine will end up a little bit like this, but don't worry, you're gonna fix it. First of all, we have to press it out like this. It's okay if there are cracks, it's not gonna break. Next, done. We made a paper boat. I know if you see if it's hard, but if you try it, it'll be it's so easy. You should try it. So this is how you make a paper boat. You can also use it you can also use it to the river, like, you know what I mean. You could just with the boat, and boof, it's going on the river. So let's get to the second one, the bird, right? We're gonna make a bird now. We're not gonna use a rectangle piece. We're gonna use a square piece. For the people who don't know how to make a square piece, all you have to do is fold it like this, and then you should cut the rectangle part just like this. See, like this. And now it looks like a triangle, but when you open it, it's a square. Don't mind about the line. So let's get started, shall we? So first, you're gonna turn this into a diamond, just like this, okay? And then fold it like this. Okay. Then you take this and then do this. I know it sounds awkward, but I don't know how to explain like this. Okay, just do this. Okay? Looks like a boat, but you're making a boat, not a boat. Then you take this and then you do half like this. Okay, just like that. Next, you're gonna fold it. Why isn't mine folding? Okay, there, it's folding. But it's folding so badly. Okay, just wait a second. My folding is becoming very bad. Need folding classes. Okay, just fold it. Okay, fold it like this. And then take the top part. And then make it a half thing. A half, I don't know what you call it. Just call it whatever you want. Just turn it like this. Then when you turn back, it'll be like this. And then fold it like this. Okay, so then you turn like this, and then you bend it like this. So you get the top and bend it like there. Don't bend it too much in, like somewhere like here. Something like this. Okay, something like this. And then it looks like a bird for now, but if you want to put more special features, just make it like this. Fold the wings like this. And then put it like this. And then it's a bird. Looks easy, right? You can try it whenever you want, a school project, no problem. So yeah, that's how you make a bird. So I hope you guys tagged along to the whole video, and I hope you made a bird or a boat. They both look easy. You might have made a bird or a boat, or you can make both of them, just like bird sailing on a boat, something like that. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends, and comment down below what you thought about this video. And don't forget to join the PlusFrame team, join our channel, and have a lovely day, guys.